Ever wished you could blow up your artwork without the dreaded pixelation? Today, we're diving into the art of scaling vector files in Adobe Illustrator, ensuring your designs remain crisp and professional at any size. First things first, we need our vector graphic open. As you can see, even if we heavily zoom in, the quality remains perfect. That's the power of vectors. Let's grab the selection tool from your toolbar, the arrow with the tool selected. Click on the artwork you want to resize. You'll now see a bounding box around your selection. This is your control center for scaling. Clicking and dragging the corner handles allows you to resize your artwork proportionally, keeping its original shape. Now, for an extra layer of control, hold down the Shift key while dragging a corner. This constrains the proportions, preventing accidental skewing of your design. This is particularly helpful if you have a specific aspect ratio to maintain. For more precise control, let's use the Transform panel. If you don't see it, go to Window, then Transform to open the panel. In the Transform panel, you can manually enter scale percentages. Make sure the chain icon between width and height is activated. This links the dimensions together, so any changes to one will be reflected in the other. This ensures you're scaling proportionally. Enter a percentage, for instance, 200% to double the size. After scaling, you can pan and zoom into the graphic to check quality. Remember, vector artwork doesn't lose quality, so you should see crisp lines no matter the size. Congratulations! Now you know how to scale your vector files in Illustrator to perfection. These techniques ensure your artwork always looks its best, whether it's for a tiny icon or a massive banner. Don't be afraid to experiment. Remember to like and subscribe for more design tips.